Okay, I'm going to show you real quick the chart examples. Let me bring that up. And if you have any questions, please do feel free. Okay. If you bear with me for a second. Okay. Now, you'll see this is the euro dollar daily chart, and I'll show you some short-term charts as well. But this is the euro dollar daily chart, and as you can see here, I always show this chart, and it's actually the chart of the day for yesterday. I haven't done the chart of the day for today, but this is the chart of the day for yesterday. This is so extremely clear to me what's happening that it's really uncanny the type of downtrend that we've seen pretty much since early December of 2009 of last year. Okay, when we had the breakdown of this long-term uptrend channel. Okay, in early December 2009, we saw the breakdown occur, and then what happens here? This is pure technical principles here occurring. Okay, you've got retracements, you've got corrections, you've got consolidations and breakdowns from there. You've got a sort of a flag here, a bunch of flags here, a rising wedge here, and then you've got retracements here, breakdowns of which are possibilities to get into short trades in the direction of the trend. So number one, what am I looking for? A trend, a strong trend that has not been broken, since late last year. And then what happens? We have retracements all over the place, and then most recently, we did have some pretty deep bullish retracements here, as we can see here. But in the end, because of what's going on fundamentally in Europe, we see a continuation of the downtrend. And then most recently, as we see here, some retracement, bullish retracement, and then breakdowns of which, would go further. Now, yesterday, I was looking to target 129, okay, and we well surpassed that. But I have different levels here, and you may ask, what are these yellow lines here? These yellow lines are simply prior support and resistance level, key levels. And I look primarily for even numbers, like the zeros, to look for prior support and resistance, because psychologically those are important. And as we can see here, several different times we hit down here. This was in late April. We hit down here at 131. Okay, there was a bullish retracement, but then a breakdown, and then a clean breakdown below 131. That just happened yesterday, and now as we can see, a continuation of that bearishness that I was targeting 129, and it well surpassed that, and now we're consolidating a little bit below 129, as you can see here. Okay, now longer term, what is my objective on euro dollar? I'm looking at, there's no reason for the technically speaking, there's no reason for the downtrend to stop. Yes, we will have bullish retracements, just like we've had all along in this downtrend. But what am I looking to target? I'm looking to target down at 125 here. And until the trend tells me otherwise, until price action tells me otherwise, we are still in a downtrend. And we're still in a strong, steep downtrend on euro dollar, okay? And so a breakdown below 129, if there's a close below 129, I'm looking to take it despite any bullish corrections, any consolidations. I'm going to be looking for those bullish corrections and consolidations to play breakdowns of those. I'm looking to target 125. A little bit longer term, but I'm looking to target 125. It's about 360 pips away right now, but that's my longer term target. And then right now, I'm not going to do anything, especially on the daily chart, but I'm looking for a breakdown of a retracement or a consolidation. Okay, let me show you real quick. The hourly chart. This is the hourly chart of the euro dollar. You see many different opportunities. These are the white lines here. These are little trend lines. These are uptrend support lines. Again, I'm looking at the overall downtrend. I'm looking for breakdowns of those of counter trend retracements or consolidations. As we can see here, many on the hourly chart, many different retracements. Okay, you could play breakdowns of those retracements. As you can see here, it's sort of like clockwork, especially on euro dollar. Recently, it's just been very good for my type of trader. So you have breakdowns here that you could play. Okay. Very nice trend lines here. Short trend lines, counter trend retracements. You have one here. If you take a look here, you have one here, and then it consolidates a little. It establishes a short-term support and then a breakdown. That was a really nice breakdown. If you could catch that, that was a nice breakdown. And here as well. If you take a look here on the bottom, you see that short-term established support on the hourly chart, a breakdown of which is a very nice place to get into a possible short trade on the hourly chart. Okay, where would you place your stop loss? Possibly right here. Okay, 130, around that area. Okay, so risk management, very, very important. Again, as I said before, you place your risk management, you place your initial stop losses according to price action. So in a downtrend, in a short situation, you're possibly looking at the last minor high right above that to place your stop loss, and then choose your position sizing from there. And in the forex market, as we all know, position sizing is very easily attained if you use very small position sizes, and you can use multiple small position sizes to precisely size your positions. Okay, so that's euro dollar.